beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Angry. Word forms: comparative angrier, superlative angriest.
Having a solid inclination against somebody who is carried on gravely, making you need to yell at them or hurt them.
I'm angry because you did not give me your mobile. She was beginning to get angry. Asma comments brought an angry response from the school principal. "Calm down," he said, looking at her angry face. Mishi laughed, which made me even angrier.
I don't know, why are you angry with me? She is angry at the way she have been treated. Asma's still so angry about the whole thing.
The workers are angry in this Ramadan that they haven't been paid for the week.
Angry with slash at somebody about slash for something.
She was very angry with her for asking such a stupid question.
Angry about slash over.
The shopkeepers are very angry over the lockdown decision.
Angry that.
They feel angry that their complaints were ignored by the police.
He reacted angrily. If you say the sky or sea is angry, you mean that it is dark and stormy.
An angry wound or rash is red and painful, usually because of an infection.
Angry, feeling strong emotions since you think somebody has acted severely, or in light of the fact that a circumstance seems bad or unfair.
Ufsana gets really angry if people keep her waiting.
Dad was mad at me for damaging his mobile.
The boss was cross with me for being late.
Asma tapped her forehead and looked annoyed with herself.
He was irritated by their stupid questions.
She's always bad-tempered when she doesn't get what she wants.
I kept fasting in a bad mood.
My father's been in a foul mood all morning.
She walked off in a huff when they refused to let her join in their party.
I don't know what's wrong, he must have got up on the wrong side of the bed today.
I was furious when I found out she'd been lying to me.
She looked absolutely livid about it.
Most people were outraged by the 9/11 attacks. Incandescent with rage.
Irshad Bhatti was reported to be incandescent with rage over the article.
It was the first time I'd seen my friend lose his temper.
My parents were very angry with me.
Don't say, my parents were angry to me. I was really angry about what had happened last night. Please don't get angry at me.
If you have depression, anxiety, stress, mental disorder, especially angry mood, then I would prescribe you to use homeopathic medicine to get rid of these ailments with Lening L72.
We hope that you enjoyed and learned something from this video. If yes, then kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.